Dry lips, don't you dare stay. There's a better, brighter way. Twist it up, let sugar play. Smooth as stress and fade away. From first swipe to final shine, every smile looks more divine. Take the Lipscruby Stick in your hand. Strawberry sweet, soft and grand. No messy fingers, no wasted time. Just twist, glide, and you're feeling fine. Gently scrub, let the magic show. Dead skin gone, hello glow. One small stick, big upgrade, turns rough into smooth in every shade. Morning bear or lipstick night, your lips stay soft, fresh and right. Peach, grape, watermelon too. Every flavor made for you from TJD Shopping. Clean and chic, this little tube is a luxury quick. Janani made it smart and sweet. Beauty that fits your busy feet. No fake shine, no sticky mess. Just soft lips you can't help but press. So swipe it once, feel the change. Smooth lips, power strange. When you smile, the world can tell you're wearing something special. Lipscruby Stick.